Shipyard is number
Oh,
one.
okay.
The oldest church in the Philippines.
Yeah.
1571. Never destroyed. Only survived.
Only so. Thank you po.
Now it's one tower because destroyed the earthquake 1880.
Yeah, in video, only 1 minute. Stop and
That's original.